This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we're stir frying minced pork with green beans. Let's start with the minced pork. I have here some minced pork and I'll marinate it with some soy sauce. Corn flour. Give all this a good mix. And set it aside. We will also need some green beans. I'm using French beans here, but you can use any long beans, as long as they are long. If you're using French beans like me, cut off the stems. Then cut them diagonally into sections like this. You will also need preserved radish or Tbsp. I bought a packet of preserved radish that has already been diced, so that saves me a lot of time. The preserved radish can be pretty salty, so you will need to adjust your seasoning accordingly, but more about that later. We'll also need dried shrimps that has been rinsed and dried. These also can be quite salty. Next, we'll need 2 cloves of garlic that has been roughly chopped. So we'll only need a few ingredients here. Next, to stir fry. Put your wok over a medium heat. When the wok is hot, add in your oil. When your oil is hot, add in the dried shrimps. And stir fry it for about 30 seconds. Next, add in the garlic and the radish. Fry this for another 30 seconds to a minute. When all this is fragrant, add in the pork. Stir fry the pork until it's no longer pink. Next, add in the green beans. Pour in some water. Add in dark soy sauce and some sugar. Give all this a good mix and cover. Let the steam develop in the wok and it will tenderize the vegetables and the meat. After about 2 minutes, there should be only a little bit of water left at the bottom of the pan. Remember earlier in the video, I said that the preserved vegetables and the dried shrimps were very salty? This is what you do. Give the dish a taste now and add in as much or as little soy sauce as needed. Drizzle your soy sauce at the side of the pan to caramelize it a bit. This gives it an added dimension of flavor to your dish. When you're happy with the seasoning, we are done. I love to serve this with rice and an egg on the side and a tablespoon of belacan. This is stir-fried minced pork with green beans.